Hello there, traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover different currency pairs. I will also speak about the gold market, and I will also do analysis on the Bitcoin. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. This one is actually the biggest home run position and the biggest home run move, I will say, for this week, at least based on my forecast. So we spoke about initial breakout here on this very tight consolidation here, and since then basically the price made a move of, since that breakout price made a move of about 400 pips, guys. It's it reached actually all levels that we got, not all levels, but the near levels that we spoke about, 1.2716, 1.2800, and it went all the way to revisit the 1.2960 area. So this move here, guys, is a very, very, like almost 3% move in a USD Canadian dollar in the last in a 5 days. So on that one, right now we reached some swing high from December 2020, right? December 21, and we got some rejection. It's a normal, like a pullback stuff, but this is nothing right now, nothing hot right now to not any fresh idea right now on this one, but just a potential for profit taking from the buyers. Just want to update you about this, and this like a third target reached on this one, and the fourth target is about 1.3 level. Speaking of the, for example, of the euro versus US dollar, as I mentioned, based on the daily time frame, we're probably going to revisit short term the swing lows from beginning of November 2020 and September 2020, right? So obviously we broke the swing low here. We didn't have so much problem. Actually, we got one reaction from buyers, and then we took the pin bar low. So short-term speaking, we can see we can revisit 1.1610, 1.1600 area. In terms of intraday, we're just right now testing the previous day low and stuff. So definitely more potential for the downside there. And speaking of the gold is basically in the kind of contraction. If I go to the daily time frame, we still sit around that main resistance, and the price action is pretty much chunky. And we got two like a neutral bars, and then one down bar, but close well of the low. Next bar is up. So now this bar here candle is full inside the previous day. So we have a big contraction and consolidation going on. I definitely will watch for a breakout with consolidation, but for now, we must say it's just a flat condition on this one. And then the Bitcoin, I think there is definitely a fresh potential there. There was an outside bar yesterday. 2 days ago we got more like a doji stuff, and then yesterday we got a lower low, but at the same time higher high, closing near the high, and now we tested the previous day high. It seems like we got some kind of completion of ABC or some bull flag on hourly. So it might, we might see some kind of the bull move in the next period today, maybe to revisit the 48,000 zone. So you can definitely watch intraday for buying opportunities on the pullbacks, and I think that is the best fresh scenario for today. And we all for today's analysis, and have a good weekend. Trade safe, and see you all next week.